Welcome to Zadar, Croatia, a city brimming with history, culture and stunning views. Today we'll explore ancient Roman ruins, charming streets, churches and embark on a boat tour to discover nearby islands and towns. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the heart of Old Town Zadar at the Forum. Once the centre of Roman life here, these ancient ruins tell tales of a vibrant past echoing with the footsteps of history. The Church of Saint Donatus is a pre-Romanesque church built in the 9th century by Bishop Donatus. It features a unique cylindrical shape and was constructed using materials from the nearby Roman Forum. Originally dedicated to the Holy Trinity, it was later named after its founder. The church has served various purposes over the centuries and is now preserved as a historical monument and cultural venue. As we meander through the quaint streets of Old Town, each corner reveals something new. From charming shops and cafes to centuries-old churches, the spirit of Zadar is in every detail.
Good morning. Is there a fee?
Yeah, you can.
Thank you.
Now we step beyond the ancient gates of the city and cross the Gradski Most Zadar Bridge. This bridge offers picturesque views and connects us to new adventures.
Okay.
Time for a change of pace. Let's hop on a small boat and explore some of the nearby islands and towns. Each one promises a unique slice of Croatian paradise. Enjoy the sights and sounds.
Does it?
Back on the mainland, we continue our exploration of Zadar. This city has so much to offer, and there's still more to see. Our next stop is the Cathedral of St. Anastasia. We end our day by gazing at the Adriatic Sea. Its beauty is timeless, a perfect end to our journey through Zadar. Thank you for joining me on this adventure through Zadar, Croatia. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel explorations.